Good morning, students. Today's topic is prime number and composite number. A Greek mathematician Eratosthenes in 3rd century BC find a method to find the prime number and composite number. Prime number, which number has no factor itself. A composite number has more than more than two factors. So the prime number, smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2, 3, and 5, and 7, and 11. Prime numbers or composite number which has more than two factors, 1 and itself. If any number has more than two factors, 1 and itself, every number divisible by 1 and itself. But if composite number has more than two factors, listen here. The Greek mathematician Eratosthenes say form of numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. First, 1. 1 is not a prime number. 1 जो है prime number नहीं है. And 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 5 is also a prime number. And 7 is a prime number. And here 11. 11 is prime number, as so on. And in this theory, which number is prime or circle and which number not prime is a composite number. This is a composite number. This is composite number. This is composite number. This is composite number. This is composite number up to 100. 100 तक उन्होंने फॉर्म किया. Next topic is even and odd number. First topic and second topic is even number and odd numbers. Odd numbers. A number which is divisible by 2. A number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number, and not divisible by 2 is called a odd number. So even number is equal to is the 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And odd number is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So two consecutive number, one number is even, the next number is odd. And after here even number 2, 4, 6, 8, and odd number 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Master Srajan Sharma asked your question. Master Srajan Sharma asked your question.
सर ये फेयर कॉपी में करना है?
Yes, write it into fair copy. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir, and thank you sir.
Okay. Next. Exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. What is the sum of any two odd number and even number? First, sum of two odd number is even. Sum of two odd number is even. For example, here 1 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. This is odd, but 4 is even. Okay? And first part, second part, sum of two even number is, sum of two even number is also a even number. If we add two even number, for example, here is even example, here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. This is even number. Also 4 is even number. So 6 is also an even number. So according to this question, the sum of the two odd number is even number and sum of the two even number is also an even number. Okay? Is that clear? Again, Master Srijan Sharma. Have a problem? Ask your question, beta. Srijan Sharma. Any problem? First, you unmute, then ask your question.
सर एक्सरसाइज 3.2 के जो ऊपर है सर वो भी फेयर कॉपी में करना है.
Yes, बेटा. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question number 2. In second question, state whether the following statement are true or false. If the statement is true, then say true. If the statement is false, then say false. Our first question is A. In this question, the sum of the three odd number is even. According to this statement, the sum of three odd number is even. Let us check the sum of three odd number. 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 or 6, 6, 3, 9. Three odd number. This is odd number, this is odd number, this is odd number. Get also odd number. Okay? Then according to this statement, he say the sum of three odd number is even. This statement is false. This statement is false. Statement B. The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. Let us check. The sum of two odd number and one even number. Two odd number, 1 plus 3 plus. This is two odd number and one even number. One even number is 4 is equal to. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 4, 8. So this is odd, this is odd, this is even, is equal to even. So in this statement, he say the sum of two odd number and one even number is even. Yes, it is an even number. This statement is true. This statement is true. Okay. One query. Master Arush Tyagi, ask your question, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a connectivity issue. Can you send in group?
Okay.
Your voices are not
I
clear.
will send it in your group. So, is that clear? Next statement C. In this statement, the product of three odd number is odd. The product of three odd number. Three odd number, that means say 1 into 3 into 4 is equal to. First number is odd number, second number is also odd number, and third is also odd number. This is odd, this is odd, this is odd. That is equal to 4. These are 12. 12 is an even number. According to this statement, the product of three odd number is odd, not. This is an even. Okay. So C statement according to this. Listen, it is even. C. The product of three odd number is odd, is even. ये false. C is a false statement. And D, if an even number is divisible by 2, the quotient is always odd. If even number is divisible by 2, the quotient is always one query. Master Shashwat Agarwal, ask your question, beta.
Sir, for तो even होता है.
Yes. Yes. 4 is a even. So odd 5.
For तो even होता है.
Okay. And this statement is true. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next statement, statement D. If an even number is divisible by 2, listen, even number. Here is a even number 8. Divisible by 2. 2 4 are 8. Quotient is, this quotient is even. Okay? The quotient is even. According to this statement, the quotient is always odd. So D statement is false. Statement D is a false. E. Yes. One more query. Master Gandharva Chikara, ask your question.
Sir, board is not clear.
Board is not clear. Okay. Gandharva Chikara.
Yes, sir.
I will send in your group.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
E. All prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd. 2 is not. 2 is a prime number. 2 is prime number. But 8 is even. According to this statement, all prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers. Smallest prime number is 2. 2 is a even number. So statement E is a false. This statement is false. Okay. F. F. Prime number do not have any factor. Prime number do not have any factor. According to this concept, prime number divisible by 1 and itself. It has 2 factors. But in this statement, prime number do not have any factor. F statement is false. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे this statement is false. Next statement Z. Statement Z. G, sum of 2 prime number is always even. Sum of 2 prime number. So always be he say even. So 2 prime number. First prime number is 2 plus next prime number is 3. That is equal to 5. This is even. And this is odd equal to odd. Z statement is a false statement. And H. In H, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, it is true. 2 is only even prime number. Prime number. It is true. This statement is true. 2 is the only even prime number. And next statement is I. In this statement, all even numbers are composite numbers. All even numbers are composite numbers. This statement is false. This statement false because 2 is even number, composite number. 2 is a even, but 8 is prime. 2 जो है even है, but it is prime number. So this statement is false. And next, J. In this statement, the product of two even number is always even. The product of two even number. Let's check. Two even number. 2 into 4 equal to 8. This is a even. This is also even. This is also even. So J statement is true. This statement is true. Okay. So after completing, Master Ashutosh Kumar Yadav have one query. Ask your question, Master Ashutosh Kumar.
Sir, what are prime numbers?
What is prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. A prime number which is divisible by only 1 and itself. That is a prime number. Okay. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. In this question, the number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. According to this question, or the number 13 and 31 are prime number. That means to say 1 3 and 3 1 interchanging digit. Both these numbers have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pair of prime numbers up to 100. So students, according to this concept, here both numbers are prime number. यहाँ लिखेंगे here if 13 and 31 both are prime number, so next prime number, here is the 17 and 71. The first prime 17 and 71 both are prime. And next another number is 37 and 73. This is also prime. 37 and 73 both are prime, and both have only 2 digits, 3 and 7, only 2 digits, 1 and 7. Okay. Here is the two queries. Master Vaibhav Pandey and Master Aniruddha Vatsal. Master Vaibhav Pandey, ask your question.
Sir, in the question number 2, you in the I1 you have written 2 is a even, but it is a prime.
Yes.
And you have written false. Why, sir?
Why? Okay. Statement I is all even number are composite number. According to this statement, 2 is a composite number, but 2 is a prime number. Both are contradiction. Both are opposed to each other. So this statement is false. Okay. 2 is even, but not composite. 2 is even, it is a prime number. According to student, in this statement, all even number are composite number. So this statement is false. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more query, Aniruddha Vatsal, ask your question.
सर जो आपने सर ये ट्रू फॉल्स करवाए सर, इसमें स्टेटमेंट्स के साथ ट्रू और फॉल्स लिखना है क्या?
अभी क्लास वर्क में आप इसे ऐसे लिख लें और उसके बाद फिर जो है आप जब इसको रिपीट करेंगे तो स्टेटमेंट आप लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप स्टेटमेंट लिख लेंगे तो और अच्छा है. ओके.
ओके सर.
Now one more number, 79 and 97. 79 and 97 both are prime number, or both have only 2 digits. The first digit is 7 and second digit is 9. The 79 and 97 both are prime number. 37, 73 both are prime number. 17 and 71 both are prime number. So these are the pair of the prime number up to 100. Okay. So according to this concept, the prime number and composite number, if you write 1 to 100 prime and composite number, then you find these three numbers. Now students, one more query. Master Saswat Agarwal asked you a question.
19 and 91.
Yes, but 99 is not a prime number, beta. 99 is a composite number. It is divisible by 3.
Sir, 91.
21 is also a composite number. Divisible by 3 and 7.
Sir, 19 and 91.
19 and 91. 91 is not a prime number, beta. Divisible by 13 and 7.
Okay.
Okay. Now, here, our next question, question number 4. The fourth question is, write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20. So, separate prime numbers. First, prime numbers is equal to prime number. First prime number, smallest prime number is 2. Okay. And next prime number is 3. And next prime number is 5. Next is 7. Next 11. Next 13. And next 17. And next 19. These are prime number which is less than 20. And again, composite number. Composite number less than 20. First composite number is 4. Next to 6. 6 is also composite number. 8 is also composite number. And 9 is also composite number. 10, 12, 14, 12, 14, 15, and 16, and 18. These are composite number which is less than 20. Is that clear? Now, I will send this image to your group. Now, friends, next question, question number 5. In this question, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So, what is the greatest prime number? Greatest prime number here. The greatest prime number, question number 5. The greatest prime number between 1 and 10, 1 and 10 is our first. Here 2 is smallest prime number, 3 is also prime number, here 5 is a prime number, and 7 is a prime number. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. So is 7. 7 is your required answer according to Question. Next question. Question number 6. Here, there are a few examples. Express the following as the sum of two odd numbers. Now, our number is 44. 44 sum of two odd numbers के फॉर्म में हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है. Here, these are first number is there is 3 plus 41. Both are odd numbers. This is odd number. This is odd number, and that is sum is equal to 44. Is that clear? One query, Master Srajan Sharma. Ask your question, beta. Master Srajan Sharma, ask your question.
सर ये जो आपने अभी अभी कराया 44 is equal to 3 plus 41.
Yes.
सर ये 6th वाला है सर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, yes. This is the 6th question. According to this question, express the following as the sum of two odd number. So 44 represent in form of sum of two odd number. The two odd numbers are 3 and 41. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Next
Yes,
number
please.
B. Next number is 36. 36. We write here 5 plus 31. Both are odd number. 5 is also odd number. 31 is also odd number. If we add these two numbers, get result 36. Okay. And next number C. C is 24. Represent it into sum of two odd numbers. The first odd number is equal to. The first odd number is 7 plus 17. These are two odd numbers. First 7 is also odd number and 17 is also odd number, and sum is 24. And next, last but not least, here D 18. The representation, sum of two odd numbers, 7 plus 11. The 7 plus 11. 7 is odd number. 11 is also odd number. So this question completed. According to this question, express the following as the sum of the two odd number. First number is 44, second 36, third 24, and fourth 18. Any problem, beta? There are 21 participants are connected. Now, next one is question number 7. Here, question number 7. This is the 7th question. Give the three pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Remark दिया हुआ है, two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called the twin prime number. So these three pairs, first pair is according to this question, first pair is 3 and 5. These are two prime numbers. There the difference between here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And next two prime number is 5 and 7. Next is 5 and 7. If we subtract 5 from 7, we get 7 minus 5 is also equal to 2. And next one is 11 and 13. 11 and 13, that is equal to 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. So this is an example of three pair of the prime number whose difference is 2. Difference 2. Okay. Now students, if any student have any query, then ask your question. Students, today's time is over. And yes,
सर जिनका हो गया वो जा सकते हैं।
hello student.
सर जिनका हो गया वो जा सकते हैं।
Yes, you may go now.
ओके सर बाय। सर ओम नमो नमः।
Bye बेटा.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
बेटा.
sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Yatharth, please ask your question.
Okay।